I'm Dustin Ratzlaff. I'm the owner and founder of unINK Marketing Creative Agency, a small digital agency based in Saskatoon. unINK is a advertising and marketing firm. We help businesses transition more traditional based advertising dollars and help them allocate that money to new online mediums, digital ads and video distribution through mediums like Facebook and YouTube, and help them with analytics and reporting to get better transparency around how their advertising dollars are being spent and what kind of impact it has on their businesses. I have been entrepreneurial for the majority of my life. I started my first company when I was in high school, in grade 10. So I was designing t-shirts. In university, I actually bought a screen printer and started screen printing my own shirts instead of paying others to do it. And that was sort of my first sort of step into like a more formal business where we had space that we'd rented in the north end of Saskatoon, and we started screen printing and vinyl cutting for companies across Saskatchewan and Canada. The nice thing about entrepreneurship is that you get to wear a lot of different hats. On an average day, I usually spend the morning discussing the projects and the things that we have going on with my entire team. Late mornings and early afternoons are usually prime time for me to be having conversations with our clients, strategy sessions, understanding where we're moving and what we've learned from where we've come from. The evenings can be anything from in-office work, administrative tasks, to putting together proposals. Entrepreneurship offers a really great opportunity for creative thinking and problem solving. It also allows you to sort of pick the types of people that you want to work with. That's what I love most about entrepreneurship is the autonomy to think freely without constraints about different problems and come up with creative solutions on how to fix those problems. I think consistency is key to success in business. Entrepreneurship comes with ebbs and flows. To be a successful entrepreneur, you likely need to be fairly mentally and emotionally engaged with your business. However, with all of that comes often a lot of high highs and low lows. I feel that successful entrepreneurship also comes with a degree of sort of tapering the highs and the lows and finding a bit of a baseline. I would say don't overthink it too much. If there's something in the back of your mind, if there's an itch that you want to scratch and a business idea that you want to pursue, do it. You know, find people that you trust, get their opinions, but don't sit on your idea for too long. Take a risk. You can always pivot if it doesn't work out. But taking that first step and applying yourself and taking meaningful steps in the direction of the business that you're trying to build and your dreams is a good thing.